Hey guys, we're back. BreakTrix is back, and we're doing part 2 of our microwave series.
Yep, today we're going to be doing a special BreakTrix edition do-it-yourself. We're going to be showing you how we build our fire pits.
So stay tuned. Hey guys, so for the first step, we're gonna have to make some ventilation. And for that, I'm gonna pull out my trusty crossbow. So I'm gonna use this to create some ventilation.
Ready. Oh!
Okay.
That's amazing! Alright, so the next step, our microwave still looks a little too microwavy, so we're gonna shape it BreakTrix style. You know what, John? I'm gonna need some help here.
Oh, yeah. Hey guys, so since safety is our #1 concern here at BreakTrix, we're going to destroy all the dangerous parts in this microwave with some safe pyrotechnics. If you may take this and man this.
Thank you.
I'm going to light this up.
Oh my god!
So since we got our microwave all shaped and safe, make sure to load it with some wood. So we're not going to really use a lighter, we're going to go a little bit of a step up. I got this propane heater that I heat myself during the winter, and I thought this would be a good idea to light our do-it-yourself fire pit.